So guys, in this video tutorial, we will be adding some cool behaviors to our game objects. So let's add that. So for that, you have to uh, go to your objects. For example, if I will select the player object, then click on go to your left hand side, that is properties, and click on behaviors. So let's click that. Click on plus. I will select the player to be platform because platform helps us to jump and move in forward and backward directions when someone presses the upwards key, downwards, or left or right key. So let's add that. And if you cancel that, let's remove that. Yes. So let's do that. Quick run. And the problem is that if you run that, and the problem that occurs here is that if you click on player, then you have this much, but uh, it is not. It is moving downwards because we have not provided block as the solid. So let's make it solid. So go to the behavior, click on this one, click on solid, and then add. Let's cancel that, and then now you can see this, but it has some ambiguities, as you can think of that. There's some issues with that, but now it is jumping as I am putting upward key and moving backwards and forward. So now we are seeing that it is in a good state. So let's make some cool things in our background and blocks. So uh, as we want our background to move backwards as we are moving forward in the game. So it means that we want a behavior of motion in our background and block because we are making the game in which we are moving infinitely. So for that, you have to add a behavior in background. That behavior is bullet behavior. So click on plus and go downwards and click on this bullet, add that. In the block also, click on this one, click on add, and then click on bullet and add that. Now cancel that. Also, we want our food to move. That's why we will add a bullet behavior to that also. So add that, click on add, cancel. And we want our bullet to be as a bullet. That's why we will add a bullet behavior to that also. So in this way, we have added cool behaviors to our game objects, and in the life, we don't want it to move because we want it to remain in the normal, that is, the constant position. So that's why we haven't added anything to it. So now we have added some cool behaviors to all of our game objects, but the problem is that we haven't changed some of the properties because if we run the game, then we will see that there occurs a problem, and let's see that what is the problem within the game. It is that this, it is moving forward. We have not set some cool things in that game, so we can do that by messing up with the properties, that is the property values. We can change the speed, angle, acceleration, or anything that we want, and we will mess up with the event sheet also. That makes the properties more cool in the objects. So in the next video, we will mess up with some of the property values.